To add a Facebook pixel or metapixel to Squarespace, start by opening a web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. From there, log into your account by clicking on the login prompt and entering your email and password information. Once you've accessed your account, go to your account name and select the account dashboard to choose the website where you want to add the Facebook or metapixel. Scroll down to the settings section, which can be found below the options for website, selling, invoicing, content, membership, donation, scheduling, marketing, contacts, and analytics. Click on the settings button, then select marketing from the subsequent options, which also include website, domain, selling, brand, marketing, party tools, permissions, billing, and developer tools. Within the marketing section, click on Metapixel and add. Then enter your pixel ID, also known as your Metapixel ID, to send site visitor data to Metapixel and better target your ad campaigns. After entering your pixel ID, save the changes to ensure the site remembers your settings.